Write down. A is given, a lot of discussion will be for inverse matrix. A is given 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 1, 2 0 2, 2 0 2. It is A. What will you do at first? You will find out its determinant. Can you write? Therefore, A equals to what? Let me know. A equals to, we are getting this 1 2 1, 0 1 1, 2 0 2. All of you find this value. Can you find it? 1. If it is taken 1, then 2 minus 0. We are getting here 2 minus 0. If it is minus 2, we are getting here minus 2, means 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2, it is plus 1. We are getting here 0 minus 2. Please try to understand. Sorry.
স্যার একটা আজব একটা কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল স্যার, একটু ম্যাট্রিক্স এর ডিটারমিনেন্টের মধ্যে একটু ডিফারেন্সটা বলে দিবেন স্যার প্লিজ।
Okay, matrix. Can you please remember when I did lot of maths from matrix? It is an array. Okay, you will just array on a. I mean, you will just permutate or you will I mean combine like this. That they have, at the beginning class, I just showed what is matrix. Okay, this sign. If you go through my first class, then you will come to know. I gave some examples of 7 days reading time. Can you please remember? In coaching, in school, at home, online. Can you please remember? I gave some examples of 7 days.
Yes sir.
And for determinant, it is actually based on your derivative. Okay, suppose some equations are given that day I showed you some maths on Kramer rules. Okay, we'll come to this point again because I have to show you some definitions of determinant and differences between matrix and determinant. Okay, I'll do it. Not a matter. Now you see. Now you see again. It is 1, so 2 minus 0 minus 2, so it is 0 minus 2, and it is 1 0 minus 2. That's okay. Now we are getting here. It is what? 2 minus 0, that is 2. It is minus minus plus 4. It is what? Minus 2. Is it right? And which is not equal to 0? Please see the calculation. See the calculation. It is written 1 by 4. Sorry, it is 1 by 4. 2 plus 2. I'm sorry. It is 4. Okay. Now you write down. Please try to understand cofactor. What is cofactor? It is the most important. Write down cofactors. I mean submatrix. Can you remember submatrix? Submatrix. Can you remember? For matrix, I showed submatrix. Suppose if it is taken, then this row, this column is will be omitted. So this 1 1 0 2 will be a submatrix. Can you please remember? If 1 is taken, then this and this will be omitted. So this is a submatrix. Okay, cofactors and submatrix are of same type. Cofactors of A are, you write down. Before that, we must know it is what? Let me know. A11, first row. A12, A13, second row. A21, 22, 23. It is second row. What is third row? A31, 32. Please try to understand. Is it okay? Now, I am going to take here A11. A11. If I take A11, then we are left with what? Let me know, please. 1, 1, 0, 2. We are left with this. I mean, I am going to consider this one, A11. That is this A11. So we are left with this. Please talk to me. 1, 1, 0, 2.
Yes, sir.
What is the value here? Can you please let me know?
2, sir.
Equals to 2 minus 0 equals to 2. Then it is what? A12. A12. It is minus sign. You know why it is minus sign? Wait, this is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. It is 2, which is even. So it is always positive. But it is 1 plus 2. It is 1 plus 2 equals to 3, which is what? So it is always negative because minus 1 whole to the power 2 is positive. Because minus 1 whole to the power 3 is always negative. Please talk to me. Moreover, its position value is negative. Please try to understand. Its position value is what? Negative. For this, I have given negative sign. But these two will not be considered for cofactors. When you will find the determinant, then yes, it is here negative. It is minus 2. But I am not going to take these two. I am going to take cofactors. I am not going to find its determinant. So if 2 is taken, then we are left with 0, 2, 1, 2. 0, 2, 1, 2. Talk to me. Is it? So
Yes,
it is 0, it is minus 2, so we are getting only 2. 0 into 2 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus minus plus 2. Then we are getting here A13. Let me know what is A13. 1 plus 3 equals to 4, which is even, so it is positive. This is 1, 3. 1, 3 means what? Write down 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0. What is the value here? 0, 1, 2, 0. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Okay, one thing is to be told you, that is actually, you see, it is written what? According to the row. So I will request you just to write down here A12 in this way. You have to write down minus, or you can do in this way. In your copy, you will do in this way. Okay. Below this, you will do. But for making you understand, I'm going to write it again. Just as they are rows. I mean, these two have been written in first row because I have taken the first row. You see, first row, A1, A12, A13, they are the first row. Okay. Now go to second row, A21, A21. 2 plus 1, 3, so it is negative. It is negative. When I'm going to take this one, so we are left with what? Let me know. This one means what? 1, 2, sorry. This one means 2 0, 2 0, 1 2. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
If we consider this one, if it is considered, then this and this will be omitted. So we are left with 2 1 0 2. 2 1 0 2, and its result is, you see, 2 to the 4, that is minus 4. Now we are going to take a to 2. A to 2. 2 plus 2 4 even, so it is positive. If it is positive, that means we are going to take here this part 1 1. 1 1 means what? Let me know. 1 1 means what? This and this will be omitted. 1 and 2 2. 1 1 2 2. It is equal to 2 minus 2 0. Now we are going to consider a to 3. A to 3. It is a to 3, okay? It is a to 3 means this one. Now we are going to consider this one. So this and this will be omitted. We are left with 1 2 2 0. 1 2 2 0. Is it? Equals to what? 0 minus 2. But here the sign is what? 2 plus 3 equals to what? 5. So sign will be negative. Here the sign will be negative. So we are getting 0 minus 4. That is plus 4. Now go there. A31. A31. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So it is positive. A31 means this part. This part. So you omit this and this. 2 1 1 1. 2 1 1 1. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Then A32. A32. 3 plus 2 5. So it is negative. A32. A32 means what? This is A32. So A32 means this and this will be omitted. So you're left with 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1. So 1 minus 0, so it is minus 1. Now go to the last one. A33. It is 3 plus 3 equals to 6, so it is positive, even number. 3 3 means what? We are here. So 1 2 0 1. 1 2 0 1. So we are getting 1 minus 0. So our answer is here 1. I think you have written it, right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All of you, please try to understand. Okay. Write down A inverse is equal to 1 by A adjoint A. What is 1 by A? What is the value of A? I mean, A means determinant of A. 1 by 4. Talk to
4.
me. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
this is the matrix sign. You put this value, what you have got. Pay attention. You have to put this value. It is what? You see row 2. It is what? 2. It is what? Minus 2. It is what? -4. It is 0. It is 4. Okay. Then it is 1, -1, 1. 1, -1, 1. Adjoint means now I will give T for transpose. Transpose means what? Rows and columns will be exchanged, right? So we are getting here 1/4. This is the first row. This is the first row, which will now be first column. 2, 2, -2, -4, 0, 4, -4, 0, 4, 1, -1, 1, 1, -1, 1. Now we can see the answer. 27, 1. 1/4, 2, 2, -2, -4, 0, 4, 1, -1. Absolutely right answer. Actually, we're done here.
স্যার এখানে a inverse 1/a কেন হলো না?
I'm not getting you. It is. It doesn't mean it is not equal to 1/a. That they told you what is inverse matrix. Can you remember, please, AI? Can you remember? All of you talk to me. All of you are required to talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
जी sir.
I told you, okay? So perhaps that time you did not pay attention. Anyway, I'm going to do another math. But this inverse matrix is starting from the examination 2016, 15. Every year in every board, this inverse matrix is given. If we have book with you, then you'll come to know that I'm wrong or I'm right. Now 27, 2. A is equal to -1, 1, 0. -1, 1, 0. -1, 1, 0. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Then 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. What is your first duty? Let me know. Therefore, determinant of A, find it. You find the value. It is not necessary to write down again like this. You can do at a time. -1. If I consider this -1, it is 2 to the 4, 4 minus 2. It is 4 minus 2. Then -1, its position value is -1, minus. Okay, -1. Then we are getting here. So we are getting here. This is -1. So this is -1. So we'll get here 2 minus 10. This is 2 minus 10. Okay. It is -1. This will vomit here. So 1 into 2, 2, 5 into 2, 10. This is 0. So we are not going to consider it 0. 4 minus 2 equals to what? 2. 2 into -1, -2. We are getting here -2. Here 2 minus 10 equals to -8 into 1, -1. So -8 minus 1 it is +8. Actually, we are getting here what? Only 6, right? And this is not equal to 0. If it is 0, then it is a singular matrix. And it is impossible to find the inverse matrix for the singular matrix. Okay, for if it is 0, then A is a singular matrix. Okay, then the matrix is not invertible. Okay, then inverse of A, then write down, then does not exist. Why does not exist? Because in the formula we have, you see, we have this type, right? In formula we have 1 by A. So if it is 0, so 1 by 0 or something by 0 is undefined. You understand? That means if a matrix is a singular matrix, then its inverse does not exist. Sorry. Now, all of you pay 100% attention. You see, the cofactors of A are the cofactors of A are. Write down A11. A11 means what? 2, 2, 1, 2. 2, 2, 1, 2 equals to what? 2 to the 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Then it is A12. Before going to do the inverse matrix, you all are required to write down this in graph. Otherwise, it is 100% impossible for any of you to do any math from inverse matrix. Okay. Then it is A12. A12, its position value is negative. You see, it will be negative because 1 plus 2 equals to 3, which is an odd number. So it is negative. So this is 1. It is this row, this column, this row will be omitted. So we are left with 1, 2, 5, 2. 1, 2, 5, 2. So 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10 equals to what? Minus 8. Actually, we are getting here plus 8. Then it is A13. A13 equals to what? A13 is 1, 2, 5, 1. 1, 2, 5, 1. 1 to 5, 1 means 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. Now, it is A21. A21 equals to what? You see, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, so it is negative. Okay. So we are going to consider this part. This part means what? This part means, you please try to understand, this part means of this and this will be omitted. So 1, 0, 1, 2. 1, 0, 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So it is minus 2. Then A22. 2 plus 2 equals to 4, which is positive. So we are getting here A22. A22 means what? This part. This part means this and this will be omitted. So we are left with minus 1, 0, 5, 2. Minus 1, 0, 5, 2. So minus 2. It is minus 2, minus 0. So we are getting only minus 2. And it is A23. A23 equals to what? Let me know. A23. A23 is negative. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So it is negative. Okay. This and this will be omitted. Minus 1, 1, 5, 1. Minus 1, 1, 5, 1. So it is minus 1, minus 5, minus 6, minus plus 6. Now we are getting next. A31. A31. Okay, 3 plus 1 equals to 4, which is positive. So now we are going to consider this. So this and this will be 1022. 1022. 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus 0. So we are getting only 2. Then it is A32. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So it is negative sign. This one. So this and this will be omitted. So minus 1, 1, 0, 2. Minus 1, 1, 0, 2. Okay. This and this will be omitted. Okay. That is, we are getting here minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus minus plus 2. Now it is A33. It is positive. This will be omitted. Minus 1, 1, 1, 2. Minus 1, 1, 1, 2. Minus 1, 1, 1, 2. We are getting minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 3. So we are getting here minus 3. Now what is the formula to get A inverse is equal to 1 by A adjoint A. Adjoint A means what, you know? It is a matrix formed by their cofactors. Okay, it is a matrix formed by their cofactors. So they are the cofactors. Here it is 2, 8 minus 9. I'm sorry, here it is 1 by A. What is the value of A? 6, right? Write down 6. So we are getting 2, 8 minus 9. 2, 8 minus 9. Minus 2 minus 2, 6. Minus 2 minus 2, 6. 2, 2 minus 3. 2, 2 minus 3 is transpose, T for transpose. Okay. Now you just do the function of transpose. 1 by 6. Can you see? Yes. Now rows and columns will be exchanged. 2, 8 minus 1. 2, 8 minus 9. Minus 2 minus 2, 6. Minus 2 minus 2, 6. 2, 2 minus 3. 2, 2 minus 3. I have to see the answer because
Sir,
yes.
sir,
Yes.
A3210 minus 1012 আসে কেন আমার স্যার?
Just wait. Just wait. Wait a little bit. Okay. Where's the math? 27. (27) 2. 1 by 6, 2, 8 minus 9. Minus 2 to 6, 2 to I am absolutely right. Now let me know. Sorry. Okay, it messes with the answer. Talk to me.